Have you ever wondered what exactly a chartered accountant is and how you can become one in India? Let's simplify the entire CA journey for you under the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, ICAI's, new scheme of education and training. Who is a CA? A chartered accountant, or CA, is more than just an accountant. They're trusted financial experts, handling accounting, auditing, taxation, corporate finance, and guiding businesses on big decisions. In short, a CA is like a financial doctor and business advisor rolled into one. Now, how do you become a CA? The journey has 3 levels, plus practical training and skill modules. The 3 exam levels are conducted thrice a year, January, May, and September. Level 1, the Foundation course. You can register right after Class 10, but your first attempt is only after appearing in Class 12 exams. It has 4 papers: accounting, business laws, quantitative aptitude, and business economics, each of 100 marks. Papers 1 and 2 are subjective. Papers 3 and 4 are objective, with negative marking of 0.25 for every wrong answer. To pass, you need 40% in each paper and 50% overall. The registration fee for the foundation exam is 9,000 rupees. Also, you must register for a minimum of 4 months before the exam. Level 2, the intermediate course. You can enter after clearing foundation or direct entry after graduation. For direct entry, the minimum marks required are graduates, postgraduates in commerce, 55%, graduates, postgraduates in other streams, 60%. It has 6 papers split into 2 groups, covering subjects like advanced accounting, corporate and other laws, taxation, costing, audit, financial and strategic management. Out of 100% marks, 30% MCQs and 70% descriptive. Good news, no negative marking here. To pass, the same rule applies. 40% in each paper, 50% aggregate, be it single group or both the groups at once. Also, you must register for a minimum of 8 months before the exam. The registration fee is 18,000 rupees. Practical training. Articleship. Once you clear both groups of intermediate, you begin the real-world phase. Articleship, or practical training, it lasts 2 years. You'll work with a CA firm, learning hands-on skills while earning a stipend. During the last phase, you can even opt for industrial training of 9 to 12 months. Skill development courses. Along with articleship, you complete skill-building programs. First, ICITSS, a 4-week IT and soft skills course before starting training, and later advanced ICITSS, another 4-week program before you appear for the final exams. Level 3, the final course. Here you register after clearing intermediate and also choose self-paced online modules. Final has 6 papers: financial reporting, advanced financial management, advanced auditing and ethics, direct tax with international taxation, indirect tax, and an integrated business solutions paper that's fully case study based and open book. Like intermediate, 30% of every paper has MCQs, but no negative marking. Passing rules are the same. The registration fee, 22,000 rupees. Self-paced modules. And remember, Marno, the new scheme adds self-paced online modules. There are 4 sets, each of 100 marks. 2 sets are mandatory. Set A, corporate and economic laws. Set B, strategic cost and performance management. And you get to choose 1 subject each from the other 2 sets. Electives ranging from risk management to forensic accounting to startup ecosystems. You need at least 50% to clear each module. So here's the journey in short. Foundation after Class 12, intermediate after foundation or graduation, 2 years of articleship with skill courses, final exams plus self-paced modules, and then you earn your ICAI membership, proudly becoming a chartered accountant. It's a tough road, yes, but one that leads to one of the most respected and rewarding professions in India. If you dream of a career filled with opportunities, challenges, and recognition, CA just might be your path. So, are you ready to take the first step?